Hey, check out this awesome 14-inch HP laptop. Now, I've had one of these for 3 years. I've taken it camping, I've taken it on airplanes, and I love it so much that I bought one for my wife to use for her trips. So we're gonna open this up and see what all comes inside this 14-inch laptop. This specific model has 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 gig onboard hard drive. It also comes with an SD card slot and also Windows S out of the box, but you can easily turn off Windows S, but if you Windows 11 S mode, but if you turn Windows 11 S mode off, you can never turn it back on. So it has a quick start guide, but this is what comes with the computer here. Oof, oof, oof. There we go. So 14-inch, all white, very slick looking HP laptop. And I will say one of the best laptops I've ever owned, unless you need to do power work like gaming. But if you're just surfing the internet or doing word processing or even some light photo editing or CAD work, this can work very nicely for that.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a homeschooling mom of 2, and I wanted to show you my review of my HP laptop. I use it for everything because I manage everything in our home. I do my kids' homeschooling on here. I submit their work. I do our taxes. I do everything. I do the email. So when you open it up, you get to your like home screen page. You know, you've got your name and your code. I'll enter in my code here. You open it up. I put a lock on mine because I obviously watch my TV on here too. But it's got a great view. It's got a great screen capacity. So when I'm multitasking, I also watch my shows on here. But it's really got great graphics. It's easy to use. I like that it doesn't have a touch screen because I'm old school that way. I don't need little fingers interrupting me when I'm working, because inevitably when I'm working, they'll come and they'll run and they'll touch my screen and it doesn't change what I'm doing. So sometimes that's a good mom hack. That's a good parenting hack, is make sure you get a computer that is not a touch screen so they can't interrupt what you're actually doing on the screen. It's got all the buttons here. I do have a mouse for it, but sometimes I just prefer not to use it. I just use the touch keypad here. I love the buttons. It's easy to use. They actually they feel pretty good when you touch them. And you can use them as short keys. So I highly recommend getting this for you, especially if you stay at home, especially if you work from home, especially if you have little kids that want to touch your screen. Get yourself a laptop that doesn't have a touch screen. Honest to goodness, it will save your sanity.